guys, it all started putting this.
So we got Stairway to Nowhere.
Together.
Pretty much.
You know, it took us 9 hours, but we got her done. All done on the first day.
Putting on the telescope.
Next day, we started on the patio slash fire pit. That took a lot less time. Getting the plastic sand to melt together. And putting the fire pit together.
Well, here's the finished product. Still got some weight on there. Let them dry for another day.
Oh yeah, and then here comes.
I need your help. Not a bad mess. I picked up the 4x4s that was standing there. We decided to brace the walls. Got that braced, got that braced. Something running down there. But didn't go very far. Looks like we got some blocks that didn't make it to the bottom.
So there it is, before picture. We start ripping off the siding. Got Luke here helping me. Did this in less than half a day. I did that, and we added the door. Put the wrap on. One wall done with the siding. Got the second wall done. Third and fourth walls done. Now we're putting retaining block in to make a little flower bed or vegetables, and there it is done. And that is how you get permission to buy a Corvette. Just happen to be your favorite color. And she calls it Tiger because it's orange.